Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart. First, all you have to do is just go to services and then scroll down until you find VGC and here's it. Now just double click on it, and after that you will find startup type and make sure it's automatic, and then server status, make sure it starts, so just start it and then just wait a few seconds, and after that click apply and OK. Now you have to restart your computer and then just go ahead and try, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to task manager and scroll down until you find Vanguard. Wait, scroll down until you find Vanguard, and here's it. When you find it, just end the task and then just do the same thing in services, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.